Are you a Notion minimalist who loves the black and white icons from Notion VIP? Well, I'm here to show you how you can add those icons to your Notion workspace without leaving Notion. How cool is that? Tasia like Fantasia here with another Notion quick tip. All right, let's dive in. So I have these 3 pages, Notes, CRM, and Tasks. I want to add the black and white minimalist icons from Notion VIP. This is a cool hack that I have started using with clients that I work with that prefer a minimalist workspace. This is also a great tip while you're building. It's a great way to quickly update a bunch of icons without having to switch back and forth between Notion VIP and Notion. What you want to do is copy the web URL for the Notion icons page, go to your Notion account, paste it. Usually I will paste this directly into the primary dashboard that I'm working from. And you want to select the create embed option where it will actually embed the entire website page into your Notion account. Now, what I like to do is expand it a little bit so it's easier to navigate, but you can see we have all of the icons here. A lot of times what I'll do is I will actually hide this inside of a toggle at the bottom of the page for when I'm not actively using it. And that way I can come here and just quickly pick a new icon, reference it, and add it into Notion. So just drag it into the toggle. There you go. When you're ready to select a new icon, you just open up the toggle. The full functionality of this page actually still works. So you can select numbers, human resources, text, media, and files, symbols, shapes, arrows. And for this, I want to go to the planning and productivity section because I want to copy the notepad. And what that's doing is copying the icon URL. Under here, I can change icon, and you want to use the link option, paste the image link, submit, and you have your notes icon. Now for CRM, I want to do people. Go ahead and copy the business people icon, upload the link. And for tasks, let's go ahead and use the checklist icon. Where are you? There you are. All right. And there you have it. That's your quick, easy way to update icons in Notion without ever actually having to leave Notion. And when you're done using or done updating, all you have to do is just go ahead and close that toggle and you can hide it at the bottom of your page. A lot of times what I do is I have a data basement and I'll just kind of create a whole bunch of white space at the bottom and let things just hang out down there at the bottom. All right. How did you like this Notion quick tip? Is this something that you want to implement into your own Notion workspace? Let me know in the comments below. And be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get notified when the next Notion quick tip comes out. Stay creative.